Okay, I'm getting closer now. So it says it's minus 14 Celsius with a minus 22 wind chill. I don't believe that because this soldering iron here, which says it's at 450 degrees Celsius, is having trouble even melting the solder on this wire. I had to step it up with a torch for some plumbing, so I got it all the flux on there, and finally I got it. So it should now make a good connection. And I gotta worry about making a good connection here. This is the whole point of this. I need low resistance. So now I'm going to attach this red wire to, can you see where I'm going here? To that brown and black wire there. I'm going to put it to that, and yeah, it should work because I can't use a torch back in there, unfortunately. So hopefully it's hot enough.